And the next category, Outstanding Achievement for News Promotion Single Spot Campaign.
WGN Skilling Hero, WGN. CBS 58, your hometown station, WDJT. This is Fox 32 Chicago, WFLD. Shots Fired, Eric Logan Investigation, WBND.
And the Emmy goes to WGN Skilling Hero, WGN.
He was born in winter's grip, shaped by the bitter Chicago cold. He traveled the world studying Mother Nature to help protect those at home from her fury.
Full-blown blizzard conditions are in progress.
For 43 years, he's kept watch over Chicago. And this winter, he'll be there for you again. He doesn't wear a cape.
No, but I do wear a very heavy coat. It's cold.
His name is Tom, and when you need him, you can find him weeknights in the WGN Weather Center.
To the Weathermobile.
Thank you. To my wife, Jill, for coming with me tonight, thank you. To my coworkers, Andrew, Jeff, Paul, and Dom for letting me do this. And to my mom and dad, who I went to school for stop motion animation, and they were like, okay. 20-something years later, I'm doing promos, and you never know where life's gonna lead you. So thank you for letting me just go. Thanks.